Hello! In front of me I have Garmin Vivosmart 5 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the iPhone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our smartband. So let's open the Garmin Connect. In the app we need to tap on the More icon to open the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, and here you should see Vivosmart 5 on the list of devices. Tap on it, tap on the More options icon right here in the top right corner. Come on. Okay, then tap on Remove Device and select one of the devices. For example, Swim 2. If you don't have more than one device, you won't have this option, but I already have two devices connected to this account. That's why it's shown up. And as you can see, if you go to the Garmin devices, the Vivosmart 5 will be gone. So open, as you can see, it's gone. So now we can close the app, open the settings. In settings, you should see the main page right here. Tap on the Bluetooth option, and here you should see the Vivosmart 5 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device to remove it. And at this point, the smartband is completely unpaired from your iPhone. And that's how you unpair the smartband from an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.